Creating the split screen effect. So here I have 4 different videos, no sound, just the videos in here. And I'm going to pick on one of them here and go to my effect controls. I'm going to change the scale to maybe 50%. And you see now I have a 50%. It's changed the size. So this is the one that's on top, V4. I'm going to change it to 25. Since I got 4 videos trying to fit in here, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to pick in here and I'm going to move this. I'm going to just place it up here. Now I'm going to come over here into my next video, and I have a scale of 100. I'm going to change it to 25. And you can see that I have this one here is at 25. I'm going to just park that one kind of there, right there. All right. I'm going to go to here and I'm going to set the effects to 25%. And so I'm going to just move that one down into position here. And I'm going to also set my Chinatown one. I'm going to set my effects control to 25%. And I'm going to move that one. Okay, so I'm going to come up here on V4 and grab a hold of it and move it. And so I'm just going to move these around so that they're in position, however you want them to be. And then I'm going to come down here and play. And you can see all 4 clips will play. Okay. Now, you could do it with 2 screens with about 50% or 4 screens at about 25%. And you just have to manipulate them and move them around. But they do play, all 4 of them, so they're all split screens. So the idea of a split screen is we're just going to scale it down, and since we're only seeing video 4, we have to manipulate video 4, the top track. So whatever's on the top, we manipulate that. And we end up then having this motion on all 4 of them. So this is how we simulate a split screen effect.